We're moving beyond the lab's fixed tracks and speeds, using a giant hot air balloon swaying in the wind to lift this XC70 to a height of 35 meters. It will crash into the ground at a speed of nearly 95 kilometers per hour. That's 1.7 times the industry standard. We hope that through this extreme and random high-altitude drop challenge, we can verify the safety strength of the Volvo XC70. Let's wait and see for now.
Calling the center for you now. This is the Volvo Emergency Call Center. The system has detected an accident alarm. What is your situation? Are you safe?
Real-world accidents are far more complex than standard tests. Only by facing uncertainty head-on can we make safety more